Morning. Today I'm going to show you how I make Instant Pot, cold start, non-boiled milk yogurt in my Instant Pot. Really easy. My friend Natalie just showed me last week. You can't believe how easy it is. The key ingredient though is this Fairlife milk. The reason why is it is ultra filtered milk, and that makes it safe so you don't boil it, okay? So I got this at our local grocery store, Stop and Shop. The second ingredient you need is you need a unflavored original yogurt. I got 2% Fage, and what's the important ingredient in this is you need live active yogurt cultures. I'm not going to try and pronounce those because I can't, but that's what you need. I'm going to make a double batch because I have company coming this weekend. And then you'll also need your Instant Pot. This part's not necessary, but I really like to have things ready to go in individual serving sizes because that's part of my portion control plan. And so I have a bunch of canning jars, and these are the half-pint jars. So I've got a dozen over here, and I will sanitize them while I'm making the yogurt. Sanitize just means putting them in the dishwasher in your sanitize cycle, or once they're clean, you can just put them in boiling water. Super easy, not hard at all, okay? Now what is a portion size? I already measured out. This is 1 portion of protein, so I filled it up with milk just to show you, okay? And it comes almost to the top, right? And then you just put your lid on, and that gives you enough room for some fruit or some other things. Okay, I'll put that right in here. We're gonna use that. Okay, and then we're gonna put in, like I said, we're gonna do a double batch today. Usually I just do 1 container and it makes 8 yogurts, so that's good for the week for me. I'm the only one who eats them in the house. Okay, second batch. Okay, and then I'm going to do the tub of yogurt. Take off the little paper, put the yogurt in. So basically, putting in the yogurt, that's your starter. If you've ever made like a sourdough bread, something like that. Then I'm gonna take my whisk, and I'm just gonna mix that all together. It's gonna get bubbly or frothy, but I just want that original yogurt mixed in with the milk I just added. Now this is an 8-quart Instant Pot. If you have a smaller one, maybe you'll only make 1 jug at a time. Okay. Seems to be all blended. Okay, next trick is you're not going to seal this with your Instant Pot lid. Instant Pot sells matching glass lids. I don't have one. I'll probably be getting one soon. I'm just taking a lid from another pan that I have. It doesn't quite fit. I might find a better one. Okay, then I come over to my Instant Pot, and you probably can't see it from here, but over on this side it actually has a button that says yogurt. I'm going to press that button, and it says 8 hours. It takes 8 hours to make my yogurt, and I'm going to leave it for the rest of the day. No problem, not hard at all. Once it's done, okay, it's beeping and telling me it started. Once it's done, I have this contraption, and if any of you can, this is so that when you fill your jars, you just scoop it in here, and you're basically going to want to scoop it to just below that line, okay? Basically about where the green hits inside here. Scoop it in, makes it really easy, less of a mess. That's really nice. Don't add any sweeteners when you're making your yogurt, okay? You need that yogurt culture to do all of its work. If you want sweetener later, you have a couple of options. You can add liquid stevia. You can add natural honey. This is Stanley honey. A friend of mine here in town has local honey, and I really love that. You can add some natural maple syrup, okay? Just a touch of those will go a long way. My favorite, of course, is add your own fresh fruit to your homemade yogurt. It's so much better than store-bought yogurt that has one of those compotes added in because it already has sugar. And look, ta-da! Yogurt and fruit. Delicious breakfast. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Let me know how it goes, okay? Good luck.